Hello my people, I greet the full house from Untouchable Mama Hustle. Now they fine. Now do as you take the help me take the share, comment, like. God go bless you. I really appreciate you now well. Wonder shall never end, my people. This video where me and Una go dey watch so Mona see wetin people they carry up and down, carry go flat. They want carry go. Two video na dey here. One happen for wetin I call am, this person they go Dubai. Now for airport na dey for get the whole day. Una know say this time around wey be say Christmas, many people they want make they look for urgent money. Make I dey play and make we dey wash am dey go. Una see wetin dey inside. Wanna see wetin dey inside this luggage. This one a luggage. You don't go expect at all. This one a luggage. Number one, that one when they take the travel. You don't go believe say something there. Wanna just dey watch my people. This one a luggage. You want travel, you carry luggage. Can you imagine? They think say that airport you fit pass on like that without nothing dey happen. That machine where you want put your luggage. Then they tell them wetin dey inside the luggage, whether something dey wey dem suspect wey be say dem go bring come out, they need to search am. Even go reach inside your body, dem fit see am. As far as say you don pass where you wan pass, you start to dey make you go tell them say something is inside there. Now you come dey see say they will contact person say they wan search you. Shey you know you are free, eh? They will say you remove even your bet where you say you use to all your trouble. They say you remove am. Even go reach your inside your shoe. If you get anything, then go see am. That one not be before where be say person just fit dey pass any one and see inside luggage. Wetin they put for inside luggage, my people. This one na luggage. That one where you drop buy, you say you want carry and take travel. How dem take put the something? Eh? They go fabric and go do special luggage. I don't know. Now see, now normal luggage where be say they don't seal everything. Then they comot all these things. So this Christmas time where be say people they look for money, urgent money, they don't carry, they go inside one corner. See, can you imagine my people? When see this one a luggage. Now inside luggage they will bring all this one come out. You know go suspect say something there for the luggage. You just feel like say nothing there. See, then do the test. And the test tell them say this is 100% that thing white something. And now it go show for them. My people. Hey, this one I don't go inside. You don't go bye. You don't go explain yourself. I want to do it. And me go fit carry am. Then they happen so. Many people no want work. Then they find that urgent something where be say they will carry. One and see speaker. This one is the one where they make boom 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 music. One and see what it there for inside. One and see what it there for inside. You know shock. He shock. Oh, ask me they watch yourself and they shock me. As I see and now say all this kind of thing I just there for inside this one. This one are those people where be say then they do export and all those people where they carry something they go up and down like say maybe you want carry food, import and export. And all those people where be say they carry many things and they carry all this one because normal person where be say want travel not carry all this things, something like last this radio speaker all this one where they do music, they know they carry all these people where they bring many things come from Nigeria where they say they get lots of things where they want carry, right? When they carry they want on this side. See then they gather because they suspect all these things when they carry. You know, see many people they bring many things come. Even go rich yam. I don't feel show now one setting last week. Inside yam, only God knows the way they take do all those things. Inside yam. This one they shock people. I don't understand though. What if then they believe say they will feed do? Maybe they say they think say they will feed just. When I see this one powder milk. This one powder milk. Can you imagine? Inside powder milk. They will come chat, they will put Weytin they want put, they will use powder milk take cover. No matter how the way you want do, even though say inside soap, now you want do inside soap, they go know say something dey there. Unless say the this thing when they tell they control all this when you dey pass for airport, e not show anything. If maybe he not dey work, now you go succeed. Say the machine dey work, where you want succeed, where they go? You want tell them say na powder milk, so they'll just call it like that. Sometimes say you already carry powder milk where be powder milk, nothing they will see they suspect you. The machine will tell you say everything is okay, but then when you say that they check, they will want me they find out whether something they inside. When I see powder milk, can you imagine? This one a powder milk where be say you go just put water for fire, you put your powder milk for inside, you want begin the drink. Now be this one, my brothers and sisters. Wonder shall never end. I dey find money, I go fit make her, I want run go then, me go do and pass. Now they cause all these things now. All those people now where be say they want be carry all these things go abroad now. Shebi don't enter one chance. Shebi go answer for himself. How many of them they do? When I understand now, they will come count all of them together. How they take they do, because this one will be the first time. Many things they happen. Even go reach inside shoe where you they wear self. They go be like say you go just feel say nothing there for inside. But if something there for inside, they must make sure say they bring that thing down. Unless say the something on the work, now you go feel just say you don't succeed. This time around, wanna go work or wanna not go put on yourself for problem. Even to take lawyer now, not be small thing. If this one happen for country where it be say like India, all this social place, Pakistan, all this place where it be say the kind prison where you go for there. All this country where Arab country. My brothers and sisters, wanna be careful. Wanna be careful, because some country they not they take and likely with you. All these things say maybe say you want to carry enter their country. They not go take and likely with you. The kind prison where they go give you go they ask yourself say whether you kill somebody, whether you be not kill somebody, but they'll come tell you say this is where you be one break on their market. So if you enter, you go buy many person, not be only one person you want buy. So my brothers and sisters, I mean to share this video. Wanna see Weytin all these lazy people where they no want work, Weytin they carry up and down. And be careful of Weytin you go ask somebody say I beg go, especially those people where they say that they carry things they come abroad. Be careful for Weytin that they give you. They feel just tell you say brother na only bag or nothing there. Whereas inside the bag, I don't know as they tell they do, they don't put something for inside. Now make many people they who they fear to help you bring something come. If you see somebody where be say no one bring something come, don't blame her too much. We can Weytin then they see it they pass them. Weytin they not expect now they happen. All this one where we don't even see pepper when they eat inside. Then I even show Nana inside something they put on. Can you imagine, my brothers and sisters? God bless you for being here. I really appreciate you. Thank you once again. Let me to share all my video. One Lord keep us together. Do not forget to follow me on my page, Untouchable Mama page, Untouchable Mama backup page. Now me still get on Unto Mama for YouTube. Thank you. I appreciate each and every one. Bye for now.